Great, thank you and welcome back for our first speaker today. I'd like to introduce Ezra Kasapoglu. She's the Director of AI and Data Economy as well as the Executive Director at Innovate UK. She's got vast experience as an industrial leader, particularly focused on business transformation and innovation. And as we're talking about business transformation, this is incredibly appropriate. She's recently formed also, applied as a digital strategy advisor at Microsoft. So there's a vast amount of experience here in the whole business transformation space. So Ezra, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. I'm delighted to be joining you today on the first day of Tommy Flowers Network Spring Conference 22. As Mike introduced me, my name is Esra Kasapoglu and I'm the Director of AI and Data Economy at Innovate UK. And I would like to give you a brief introduction to what we do at Innovate UK, at UK's innovation agency, and as part of UK Research and Innovation, popularly known as UKRI. UKRI focuses on collaboration to build a thriving and inclusive research and innovation system. Innovate UK, as part of UKRI, helps drive productivity and economic growth by funding and supporting business to develop and realize the potential of new ideas, including those from the UK's world-class research base. We at Innovate UK like to understand and help business innovate and deliver truly transformative results for society, economy, and the planet. Today, I would like to talk about the relationship between business and research and science and innovation to help deliver the impact and economic growth in the rapidly evolving digital world. Digital technologies, as we will all agree, are widely accepted as having the potential to transform virtually every industry and create economic value that is going to be significant. They are changing how we are engaging and behaving, both as individuals and as a society. The digital economy underpinned by digital technologies has also emerged and is becoming an integral part of the economy. It's replacing the previous industrial paradigms by creating a new economic model that works in a circular fashion as a feedback loop. In this model, data and interactions are the main resource and source of value. As the world is digitally transitioning, experiences, supply chains, and transactions may be taking place in the physical world, in the digital world, or both, and possibly at different speeds. The 2021 Technology and Innovation Report by the United Nations urges all developing nations to prepare for a period of deep and rapid technological change that will profoundly affect markets and societies. And a recent survey by McKinsey also found that the pandemic has sped up the digital transformation and technologies by several years. Digital transformation will therefore involve a fundamental rethink of how an organization will work, the role of government, our identity, privacy, security, how we lead, how we interact, share, and exchange information. In my view, digital transformation is going to be as much about technology as humanity and about the human condition. Digital technologies hold the promise of the future, from climate action to better health to more democratic and inclusive societies. There's an opportunity for us to think holistically and for the long term and invest in the future that will resonate with everyone. Digital technologies are not deterministic though. They will create both opportunities and challenges. This is why I think there's an important role for us all to play to harness their potential for the common and greater good. And I feel we also have an obligation to do so. We will have to think strategically for the longer term and develop the reasonable digital future that is desired and could be achieved for all within the ethical and inclusive use of technologies at its core. The UK, as you all may be aware of, the UK is pursuing science, technology, and innovation strategies appropriate to the UK's economic, social, and environmental conditions, in close dialogue and collaboration with the public to shape the future digital economy. To deliver on those strategies, there's a need to continue to think big, strategically, and holistically. That means investing in research and development, translating that research into the design of solutions and services, building a robust and open innovation capacity that will bring significant competitive advantage at the business, national and international level. And then obviously we need to think about how we can adapt and commercialize those innovations rapidly and at scale. Developing industry applications, revenue models, and markets for new products and solutions are going to require as much emphasis and effort as investing in R&D and technologies. I think we are on the cusp of another revolutionary paradigm shift in which the rate of adoption is slower because of the pace at these technologies are accelerating. As with so many past technological breakthroughs, though, progress in technology has been moving faster than the society. The goal for us and scientists is to understand the world around us better so that we can solve the world's most complex problems, overcome the world's biggest challenges, and dramatically improve the lives of human beings. With that level of consciousness, the research and innovation community have never been this empowered. We also have an opportunity to support policy makers and regulators alike in developing those well-designed policies at national and international levels to build a better and more inclusive digital economy and society. Everyone also needs to be well-informed and conscious of how to use and adopt digital technologies, but not everyone will need to be a technologist. We will need technologically aware public and citizens upskilled in digital technologies to ensure everyone is able to navigate these type of transformational changes and be the active participants in society and economy. There's also an opportunity to rethink our education ecosystem and how we bring children, educators, researchers, scientists, and innovators together to partner with technology to provide solutions to enhance outcomes. With so many challenges to overcome and so many opportunities to unlock, only robust collaboration can ensure that we can maximize the benefits of digital technologies and help distribute them equitably across the society. The UK has impressive pockets of innovation, strong R&D and scientific foundations, and significant pools of talent. Collaboration is going to be an important part in leveraging those assets and capabilities and networks that exist across the UK and internationally. There's also an opportunity to strengthen collaboration in a strategically joined up way to drive the future digital economy that will be supported by research and innovation. There is a need to continue to focus on future and strategic leadership to support UK businesses in many areas, including net zero, energy, transport, health and life sciences, creative industries, materials, and digital and AI. We have many, many talented and capable people involved in all these areas and more. So from the very start, we should focus on seeing people as an intrinsic part of everything we do. And I would like to leave you with one thought today, if I may. As the UK is a great place to innovate and do business, how can we work together to help transform the economy, the UK economy, to stimulate innovation and productivity and deliver the solutions that will achieve our desirable digital future together. Thank you very much.
Great. Ezra, thank you very much for those insights. I'm really looking forward to your contribution to our panel discussion later on this morning. So I'll bring this session to a close, and then I'll see you on the next session where we have Professor Jerry Parr speaking, and I'll see you on that in a few minutes if you just click on the next, the link in your video. Thank you.